So the topic I'm doing is calculating an equation of a line which passes through 2 points. So as you know, a point is a coordinate. A coordinate looks like this, x and y. Really it's two numbers, but the first number is the x and the second is a y. So if I give an example, x is 6, y is 1. If I do another point, 5 and 2, that's 2 points. So now I'm going to show how to get the equation of a line from these 2 points. So first you need to find the gradient. The gradient is known as m. There's a formula that you can use to get the gradient. So the formula is y2, which is the second y value from the second coordinate, minus y1, which is the first one, over x2 minus x1, which is the second x coordinate and the first x coordinate. So I'll just quickly do that. 2 minus 1. 2 being the y2, 1 being the y1, over 5 minus 6. 5 being the x2 from there, and 6 being the x1. That gives me 1 over minus 1. Therefore, m equals minus 1. So to get the actual equation, we have to do the formula y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 in a bracket. So for this y1 and x1, what I'll do is just keep the first coordinate and use the point from there. So y minus 1, 1 being the y coordinate from there, equals m is minus 1, brackets x minus x1, which is 6. Now you just expand the bracket. You can leave that here, you don't need to focus on it much. Minus x plus 6, and to finish it off you can just do y equals minus x plus 7, because that's a minus. That's one equation. Now I'll show you how to sketch it. This is obviously a straight line graph. First you'll do the y-intercept, which is 7. If you make x equal to 7, I'll just show you. Y equals, well, x is 0, so minus 0 plus 7, y would equal to 7. That's your y-intercept over here, 7. You can do the same for x. So when y is 0, minus x plus 7, just add x to the other side, x equals 7, and that point is 7. So that's there, and then you can just put the points that you got from the graph from the start. So 6 and 1 will be here, 6, 1. 5 and 2 will be here, 5, 2, and then you just join the points to make a straight line graph. Mine not the best, but yeah, that's the one. Wait, pause it. This is the second example I've done. I've already got the m. So these are 2 points, 0, 3. The second point being minus 3, minus 3. So I've got the minus 3 from the y2, which is there. Just write y2. This is x2. This is y1. This is x1 and y1. So yeah, the minus 3 coming from the y2, the 3 coming from the y1. Minus 3 coming from x2, and 0 coming from x1. So after doing that, the m I got is 2. I'm going to sort it back into the equation and quickly get the answer. So my y minus 3 equals 2x minus 0. Expand the brackets again, just leave this how it is. 2x, 2 times 0 is 0, so we leave that. And to simplify, just get y equals 2x plus 3. And that's the equation. So again, to get the graph, draw your axes. It's good to label them. Again, when x equals to 0, you get the y-intercept, so 2 times 0 becomes 0 plus the 3, so y equals to 3. The 3 there, so it's same for the x. When y is 0, 2x plus 3. Take the 3 to the other side, so it'd be 2x equals minus 3. Then divide by 2, x equals minus 3 over 2. So for this one, it'll be the other way around. Over here, minus 3 over 2. I can use the points you already got. So 0, 3 is already 1. And minus 3, 3. Minus 3 will be over here. Sorry about that. And now we just go like that. We should touch the actual axis though. Let's get a final example. Yeah, these are my 2 points. So the 3 is the x1, 1 is the y1, 6 is the x2, 3 is the y2. It's good to label it from the start just to get used to it. Now to get m, it would be m equals y2, which is 3, minus y1, which is 1, over x2, which is 6, or minus x1, which is 3. That gives you 2 over 3, and that's m. So then you go back into the equation, sub it in. So y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So if you use the first one, y minus 1 equals 2 over 3 in brackets x minus 3. So again, leave the y minus 1 there and expand the brackets. So it'll be 2 over 3 x minus 6, because 2 times 3 over 3, which is simplified. So y can simplify into minus 2. Then you just do y, take the 1 to the other side, so 2 over 3x. Take the 1 to the other side, so you add it, so it's going to be minus 1. And again, just plot the graph. See, I'm not sure which way it's going to go. So again, make x 0 to get the y coordinate. So y equals 2 over 3 times 0, which is just 0, minus 1. Y will equal minus 1, which will be here. Same for the x value. So when y is 0, 0 equals 2 over 3 x minus 1. Add the 1, so it's 1 equals 2 over 3x times by 3. So 3 equals 2x. Divide by 2. 3 over 2 equals x. So that's just been flipped. You find that over here. That's 3 over 2. And this is of course the minus 1. And then you can just sub in the points that you've already got. So that's 3 and 1. And you've got 6 and 3, which should be a lot more down. Let's say about here. 6 and 3. And then you just draw in the points to get your straight line. It should be a straight line, but yeah, that's it.